Hi guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here today to talk to you about the Merlin C945 replacement made by Auto Openers. The C945 replacement has 3 buttons, which allows it to code into 3 different garage door or gate openers. Please be aware this is a Security Plus remote control and will not work with Security Plus 2.0 motors. An easy way of telling if you have one of those is just check your model number. If your model number has EVO or MYQ, or makes any mention of Security Plus 2.0 on your garage door opener, this remote control is not suitable. The C945 replacement comes with a full 12-month warranty, which covers it from failure due to manufacturer fault. To see the full list of compatible garage door opener and gate opener products this Merlin replacement works with, head on over to our website. We list all compatible openers in our listing description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this garage door remote replacement, head on over to our website. You can send us an email or give us a call. See you next video.